Coronavirus is a new challenge for businesses around the world. Since 2016, we have worked with hundreds of commercial and private customers, supporting them in getting the best cleaning services for their business. We have developed strong relationships with professional cleaning companies across Europe. This allows us to rapidly secure the cleaning workforce for any location in Germany, France, Poland, Luxembourg, Portugal, Austria, or the Netherlands. We have experience in working with both small, single-location businesses as well as multinational companies. We are your single point of contact in all matters related to sanitization and deep cleaning services. No matter what the scale of your problem is, we can help you. Even if you need to sanitize a large portfolio of retail outlets, multiple offices in different European cities, a factory floor in a remote location, or several short-term rental properties, we are there for you. Fill out the contact form below and we will get back to you with a free quotation as soon as we can, usually within a few hours.